Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Toothache can be excruciatingly painful and can leave you feeling helpless. However, there are several home remedies that can provide relief from the discomfort. In this video, we will share 5 DIY remedies for relieving toothache. First up, clove oil. Clove oil is a natural numbing agent that can help relieve pain and reduce inflammation. Simply tap a small amount of clove oil onto a cotton ball and apply it to the affected area. Next, try a saltwater rinse. Saltwater can help reduce inflammation and kill harmful bacteria. Mix a teaspoon of saltwater with a cup of warm water and gargle for 30 seconds, then spit it out. Ginger root is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Simply slice pieces of fresh ginger and place it on the affected area. You can also make a ginger tea by blowing sliced ginger in water for 10 minutes. Another effective remedy is applying a cold compresses to the affected area. A cold pack in a towel and hold it against your cheek for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Finally, peppermint oil can also help relieve toothache. Apply a drop of peppermint oil to a cotton ball and hold it against the affected area. You can also add a drop of peppermint oil to your toothpaste for an extra fresh sensation. These 5 DIY remedies can provide quick relief from toothache. But remember, they are not a substitute for a proper dental care. If you have a persistent toothache, make sure to see your dentist as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.